we'll be making cake.
What the heck? Stop it.
This is our first entry into YouTube.
Oh my god, stop it. Your first intro, maybe.
You have to say something to instruct your viewers.
Well, I'm making a batter for this 3-layer cake. We're gonna ice the cake for the first time. This is just basically butter, sugar, cream, vanilla, baking powder, and then we beat 6 egg whites, holy shit, at room temperature, so I had to cool it in a hot water bath. And then now we're adding all the dry ingredients, which is flour, baking powder. Did I say baking powder before? And then there was something else we added. There's some other stuff we added that I can't remember. Anyways, and then we're just adding half at a time. Alrighty, instruction says add half the batter and mix well, and then add milk.
Second video. So what are we doing now?
Stop it, Michael. You're making me nervous.
Oh.
We're making white chocolate mousse. We just made some sort of what they call a white chocolate ganache, which is heavy cream melted with white chocolate chips. And now we're gonna whip some, make some whipped cream, and then fold it into and make a fluffy mousse. We're adding lots of sugar. This is ½ cup of powdered sugar.
Lots of sugar.
Yeah, if you're gonna think about healthy component of the cake, then you might as well just not eat it, because the amount of butter, sugar, cream, holy shit. This is definitely not a proper language channel. As you can tell, we're using a lot of inappropriate words. And I don't exactly know. I guess that's enough of sugar. And Mikey has been really nice today, because even though he's not taking on the chef role like last time, but he is taking on the dishwashing role, which is quite important because there's a lot of things to wash.
Dishwashing role.
Yes. What are you doing? Oh, trying to see what's inside the dishwasher? Yep. All right, after this, we're gonna make a raspberry kind of filling, and then hopefully, stop it! And then hopefully all these cake will be done. We're gonna cool them, and then the fun part starts. We're gonna stack them up and ice them around, and then, oh, this is Momo. Momo has been standing here begging for food, but honestly, none of these are healthy, so yeah, they're okay for humans, but definitely bad for dogs. Stop sniffing my crotch, Cosmo.
This video is running over.
Okay, fine.
Okay, so what's going on here?
Well, we just took out our first layer of the cake from the pan. Seems like doing great.
These are the other 2 layers?
Those are the other 2 layers. So we're basically letting them cool on the parchment paper, and then we're gonna stack them on top of each other. So on the on some YouTube video, I saw people making these kind of like larger parchments and then basically layer them on top. So yeah, so that's 1. We're gonna do 2 more. I think that's it for this video, because then it's the same thing. You can videotape again when
we can record you stack them up.
Okay, well then maybe we do this. So that, and then hopefully this one comes off. Oh, it came off so easily. That means I greased the pan pretty well. So等一下拿的时候比较 easy.
These can be dishwashed, right?
Nope, hand wash, remember? That's why you washed them yesterday.